Okay, really quick video here on how to make a paper airplane if you don't know how to make one already. This right here is just a standard sheet of paper, 8 by 11.5 I think the standard sheet of paper is. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half. Do your best to line it up. Don't, I'm not going to go crazy here. And then you just make a nice crease in it. From here what you're going to do is open it up. You're going to take a corner and fold it into the center. You're going to do it on the other side. Take the corner, fold it into the center. Okay. Now from here, you're going to take this corner and fold it into the center. Then do the same thing on the other side. Take the corner, fold it into the center. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to fold the paper in half again, and you're going to create your wings. So you're just going to take one side, and you're going to fold down the wing. Flip the piece of paper over, and fold down the other wing. Okay. This might be hard to tell on here, but this crease, I try to get the distance from here to here and from here down to be fairly close, fairly equal. So we're going to fold this up, and now I'm going to take one of the wings, and you see that red line right there? I'm going to fold this up to about that red line. The reason I'm using that red line is just because it's an easy marker, it's an easy indicator. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. You see, when I open it up now, you'll see the paper airplane has those cool flaps on them. I'm almost done. I just got one more thing I want to do. And that's, I'm going to flip the paper over, and on the back here, I'm going to tear it. See how I did that? And I'm going to take this, and I'm going to pull it through to the top. I'm going to reverse the creases that are on it. And the top, I am going to squish down. And then I'm going to pop it back up. See what I did there? Now, of course, you're going to try to straighten everything out as best you can. And that's it. That's my paper airplane. And what you'll find is they actually fly really well. They're a lot of fun. I was actually with my niece. She's 7 years old. And we were making paper airplanes and throwing them around the yard for hours. She just thought it was the greatest thing in the world. So that's it. Quick, simple paper airplane that actually flies really well.